Good afternoon. Today we are going to explain the several roles in TSP. Our group are conformed by Valentina Rendon, Manuel Bonilla, and me, Álvaro Cardoso. TSP is a defined process framework that is designed to help managers and engineers teams to organize and produce software projects. The TSP roles are the following: the team leader, development manager, planning manager, quality process manager, and requirements administrator. Let's start with the team leader. His goal is to run the team and monitoring its progress to ensure the carry out of tasks, and his responsibilities are the first one is motivates the team, runs the weekly meetings, generates weekly reports of team progress, and ensure the performance of team activities. The next one is the development manager. His objective is to guide the team in product designs and developments. His responsibilities are the following. Runs the development of each phase of the product using the suggest standards, integrates everyone's work, and directs requirements, design, and development and testing.
The next is planning manager. His objective is he guides the team planning and monitoring the work. The responsibilities are he supports and guides the planning and monitoring. He makes planning with the team, and he solves the risks that arise. The next is quality process manager. His objective is he proposes a quality plans for the process and the product. His responsibilities are he finds needs in the quality process and maintains or improves product quality. And finally, is the requirements administrator. His objective is he helps the team get the tools to get the job done and manage the setup. His responsibilities are he decides upon, maintains the tools to perform administrative tasks, and he gets everything necessary for the development of the project and generates a configuration plan to carry out its management. Thank you.